Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish. Bye-bye!
Aha!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
The monkey thought it was all in good fun. For a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Goodbye! Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes
Look
the
at this.
weasel.
It is a koi fish.
Wow!
Look at this. It is an eel.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all
Aha!
goes the weasel.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Bye!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a red devilfish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
It followed her to school
Goodbye.
School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to
Look
see
at this.
a lamb
It is a koi fish.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near, and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about.
Look at
till
this.
Mary
It is a
did
channel fish.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Look at this.
The teacher
It is a
did
eel.
reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb,
Aha!
little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.